खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामे आना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं।
सावधान विश्राम, एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेगा, शुरू कर।
Hi, hello, namaste. So we are Radhika and Rohit, and we are back with a fresh new episode of Tejas, a podcast series and an initiative by NSBT.
So friends, today's podcast is really a different one. See, entrepreneurship is probably all about profit, and if that is the case, the place that we are here, the place where we are today, is the most profitable one, because in this case profit is nothing but sheer joy. So just to take it further, friends, we always keep saying specially able children in our societies, in our families, in our homes, और जनरली ऐसा बोला जाता है कि क्या भगवान ने उन्हें बनाने में कुछ कसर छोड़ी। तो बात तो उल्टी है। एक्चुअली कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी। इंस्टेड गॉड क्रिएटेड another great thing, which our mothers would take care of these children, take extra care and pamper them, shower them with love. And not only that, they also make them stand on their feet with head held high with pride. Today we are meeting one such very special mother, who is mother to many such children. Let us welcome Mrs. Sharmila Gandhi, the president of Navjivan School and Navjivan Research Society for differently abled children. Ma'am, welcome to our podcast.
Thank you so much.
So, as I mentioned, today this podcast will be a little different. Ma'am had suggested that there is a lot to see here, and it's very different than our routines. So, ma'am, as you suggested, we would love if at all we can walk and talk.
Sure, that would be great.
While seeing this,
I would love to show off the school to you.
Yes, please.
That's great.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Yeah, sure. Come.
So ma'am, we'll have a round. Can you show us around and tell us what happens in this campus?
Okay. So, like I had told you before, we have 5 major sections. First is the Early Intervention Center, which is for the 3 to 6. Then we have the school from 6 to 18. So after the age of 18, they're not supposed to stay in the school. Okay. So the vocational training center starts, where we try to teach them some skill, so that they're able to earn some money using that skill. So 18 onwards, they come to the vocational training center.
Okay.
In the vocational training center, they can stay for only 3 years according to the government.
Okay.
So post that what? So now the last year we have started the sheltered workshop.
Okay.
So there, the people who can actually work, sit in one place and work, are taken there and they work, and whatever products they make are sold in the market, and the profit is given to them as their salary. So they have started earning. Okay, I will go talk about that later.
Okay.
So that is the third section that we have.
Okay.
We also have a care group, which is for adults who cannot be actually trained. They are severely or profoundly retarded. It's a daycare center for them, so that we give relief to their parents. And then we have the residential care unit also. So these are the major sections of our project, I would say. So let's first start by going to see the school.
Yes, please,
come.
please.
I'll just take you to the school. So this is where we have the 6 to 18 category of children. We'll see. Come. So this is the school building where we have 5 classes.
Okay.
Starting from the pre-primary, primary, the pre-vocational group that we have over here. So let's see the one with the small kids over here. So these classes are made on the basis of their IQ and their age.
Okay.
And one class is purely based on their skills. One class is purely on the basis of their IQ.
Okay.
So they are the academic class that we have. We'll go to that later. Okay.
Nursery.
So this is the toddlers that we have. So here basically, making them sit in one place is also a big challenge for the teachers.
It is.
So now since they are 2 months into the school, now many of them have started sitting in one place. So anything else? Oh. Namaste.
Namaste.
So now if she requires speech therapy, she will also be given speech therapy.
Okay. Hey.
Okay. Namaste.
नमस्ते नाही म्हणायचं नुसतं हात नाही जोडायचं.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. She's not interested. Good. फारच गोड क्लास आहे हा. अच्छा थेरपी लागेल. So they are studying. काय अभ्यास करतायत आज?
सांगा अबू क्या पढ़ रहे तू
सी कर रहे. अच्छा इंग्लिश शिकवताय का त्यांना? अच्छा गुड. We have also started teaching including English in their teaching, because Aurangabad is a developing city now.
Yeah.
With so many new industries coming, we expect people from outside to come to Aurangabad, and then they want their child to learn something in English.
Right.
So we have included English in our curriculum, which was not there so far. Yeah.
आता प्रत्येक जण इंग्लिश मध्ये स्वतःचं नाव पूर्ण
लिहू लागले.
अरे वाह. Namaste.
So this is a class where we are now. This is a pre-vocational class.
Okay.
And what we are trying to do here is develop the working skills in them, like sitting in one place, developing their coordination, the hand-eye coordination. So such sort of things are happening in this class. So you can see them working with puzzles. So that is exactly those skills they are developing. The working skills are being developed over here.
Sensory skills.
The sensory skills, yeah.
Tata.
Bye.
So this is a part of mental illness that you're seeing, which has to be managed with business and therapy. How autistic पण आहे का, sir? He's got autism also. So combined with mental illness, the therapy becomes very difficult. So this is a pre-vocational group.
Okay.
So they are again being trained here. If you see, he is threading the beads. So the coordination and again sitting in one place is a challenge. So all those things are being developed here. So that because they are now next going to go to the vocational training center.
Right.
And this is a mixture of all level of children. So there are some who are mildly retarded, who are some who are profoundly retarded, but they are made to sit together, and then their separation will happen after this.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'll take you to the vocational training center.
Okay.
So this is the, like I told you, this is for the 18 plus, the adults. And here they stay for 3 years.
Okay.
And learn some sort of skills.
Okay.
So we have major 4 departments in this section. So we have a separate class for the girls and a separate class for the boys.
You need to identify that as well. Who
So
can
that
do
is the
what.
job of the teacher. So after the Diwali season is over, they'll go on to making the paper bags. So they are good at it. I mean, all the creasing, if you see the machines over there, all the creasing and all is done by the children. So the teacher sets the machines so that they can operate it well. So can we go there?
Yes.
Prashant sir, 1 minute येऊन जाऊ. So if you see this strip kept over here is mainly for the child to know, this is shifted, this is for the child to know where to keep the paper.
Okay.
So a normal creasing machine would not have this. But this is something which we call a teaching aid or a working aid.
Okay.
And then the sir sets it for them and then they keep the paper accordingly so that the crease comes at the right point.
Acha.
So the teachers have to be very innovative and have to develop ways so that the children can work with perfection. By children I mean our trainees, huh? But we call them children even if they grow up.
अच्छा.
पूरा रजिस्ट्रेशन लगा के फिर वो करते हैं
अच्छा.
हो जाता है
अरे वाह. Very nice.
If you see this part of the golden color that is given, we think it's such a simple task. But for these people, it's really difficult to do it with so much fineness without letting the color go.
Right.
So this
right.
finishing has to be done by the teacher. So now we have a group of ladies who volunteer 2 hours a week or 4 hours a week, 2 hours every day.
Okay.
And they come and they have started helping us out with this. So this is
sweet.
where, yeah.
That is so sweet.
So the finishing job is being done. Because any product that has to be marketed has to go with finishing. We can't work on sympathy much. So we try to give the best we can to people.
But when you have this with you, it is going to get imbibed in them as well for the finishing and marketing thing as well.
So this is our tea lights section. So these children are making tea lights.
Okay.
So this is they're preparing for the Diwali now. So this is such a simple task for us, right? But there are only 2 people who can pour the wax.
Okay.
So they are trained, and now we have appealed to some engineering colleges to give their students a project wherein the machine will be such that you just press a button and the exact quantity of wax that has been set will follow.
Okay.
Because they don't know when to stop pouring.
Right.
Right.
So then only 2 can understand that and only 2 are working. But we want each of this child to work on that.
Right.
So if it's just a press of a button, it would be easy for them.
True.
Yeah. So that's how now they
So you have molds and you pour in the wax and they take it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
They take it out and then they put in these containers. So now this is all preparation for Diwali.
Wow.
Yeah, Diwali and
Well in time actually.
now this is the tailoring department. मंगलबाई थोडे दाखवा काय काय बनवतो आपण एप्रिल्स वगैरे तयार असलेले दाखवा. So you can see these girls, they can stitch.
Yeah.
Now she's stitching dusters.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. ही अजून आत्ताच आली आहे तिथून इथे जस्ट 18 क्रॉस दिस इयर सो शी लर्न टू वर्क एप्रिल पण आहे
nice.
so she can-
Very छान केलं.
त्यांना मार्किंग्स करून देतात आणि मग सरळ सरळ स्टिचिंग ते करतात.
अच्छा.
इव्हन हे पायपिंग सुरुवातीला यायचं नाही त्यांना पण आता करू लागले.
अरे काय छान आहे.
हे असं त्यांनी आता दे हॅव स्टिच्ड एप्रन्स आणि हे मग असे कुठले एक्झिबिशन्स वगैरे असतात त्याच्यामध्ये हे सगळं विकलं जातं.
व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल. ते सुंदर केलंय.
So now that girl, if you see, she looks so okay. कि असं वाटतं की she'll be able to stitch, but she's not able to stitch. But then what she does is helps them out.
Okay.
So whatever they have stitched, she removes. She cuts all the extra threads.
Oh.
She folds it neatly because even that is a job. for
Yeah,
her.
yeah, it's a
So
task.
she also a part of the stitching process.
Wow.
So that's how she's helping around everybody.
Teamwork.
Yeah. So we hope she learns to stitch some. That boy also stitches very well. So this is our home science department. They make chocolates, avla candy, til papdi during the Sankranti time.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, they make chutneys also.
अच्छा.
And we market them. Right now they have no chocolate orders. They've
Okay.
just finished with one chocolate order for the Rakhi.
अच्छा.
And now what are they doing is they're making paper bags from newspaper.
Okay.
And these paper bags will be used for the Divyang run to give
Acha.
away our kits.
Is okay.
So yeah, so we are not wasting their time. They're still sitting and working, and all of them are making paper bags for the Divyang run.
Beautiful.
Can you just show chocolates, please? No chocolates? Oh.
बापरे.
एखादा हेवनचा बॉक्स आहे फक्त. So we have got a box designed.
अच्छा. बरं.
Like something like a celebration box.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can use it for gifting. We
Right.
expected we'll get some corporate orders maybe. So for
You're doing each and everything which is necessary for presenting it.
presenting, absolutely. So
Presentation
this is one
key
box.
है.
If you see, this is
अरे वाह.
a box which we have designed
nice.
for chocolates. It doesn't have chocolates right now, but it is something like this.
Packaging is
Yeah.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
And we take full care of the hygiene. So the girls are wearing aprons, caps when they are making the chocolate.
great.
Nice. Very nice.
And like I said, one task one person can't do.
Right.
So the most skillful job in this is pouring the chocolate in the mold
Yeah,
and
yeah,
molding
Correct.
thing, right?
Correct.
Only 3 of them can do it.
Acha.
But there is chopping of nuts,
Yeah.
right? There's cleaning of the molds after
Yes.
every use.
Yes.
So each one of them is involved in some part of the process.
Okay.
And when it comes to fine packing, then the teachers do it.
Okay.
When it's simple potli packing that they do, the ribbon packing that they
Uh-huh.
say, that the students manage.
Okay.
Every chocolate has a label below it.
Okay.
So that labeling also the children can do.
Oh, nice.
So every child, so one chocolate is made by at least 6 to 7 children involved in making of one chocolate.
Okay.
That's all.
Amazing.
Yeah. अच्छा ऑर्डर के लिए अच्छा. She always has in stock some chocolates. I would have made you taste them, but
We are not.
gave away some
We are
order
not lucky
yesterday.
today, it seems.
अच्छा इसको बोलना है आपसे.
कृष्णा ने किया डांस
हाँ.
MGM मैंने उधर किया है
हाँ. आपने कृष्णा बना था.
क्या बात.
लगा है
राधा बने थे. अच्छा.
ये कृष्ण को
वाह.
यश है
हाँ.
वो उधर बैठा है यश.
अच्छा. कृष्ण उधर बैठा है.
हाँ.
अच्छा. क्या पहना था आपने?
घाघरा
हाँ. अच्छा.
मोबाइल कवर ऑल्सो दे में.
अच्छा.
हाँ हाँ.
अच्छा. हाँ. आप सी रहे थे ना अभी?
She can't talk. Good.
हाँ.
Bye.
तीन बना है. वाह.
चलो अभी सब क्लास में जाओ. Good girls. जाओ सब क्लास में. So now I'm taking you to the early intervention center, the physiotherapy and the clinical psychologist.
Okay.
So I have spoken in brief about them all, and I'll just show you the departments.
Yeah.
So the early intervention center is where we have the 3 to 6 year olds come in for therapy. So this is where they are being given therapy. So all their skills, like their self-help, they're given physiotherapy, occupational therapy. They give cognitive stimulation and all is given. I'll just introduce you to Dr. Shilpa Kare. Doctor, 1 minute. So in short, आपण इथे काय करतो? Please tell them.
This is a early intervention for a 3 to 6 years disabled child.
Acha.
Cerebral palsy, autism, hyperactive child.
अच्छा.
We give sensory integration therapy as well as neurodevelopmental techniques.
ओके. ओके.
Both we are using here.
अच्छा.
The 3 to 6, the freshest of the batch. The
Yeah.
first yeah.
आणि आता आपल्याकडे किती मुलं आहेत ह्या सगळ्या?
13.
13 मुलं. ओके. आणि प्रत्येकाचे वेगवेगळे हे असतील ना, माइलस्टोन्स आणि हे.
Process वेगळं आहे, माइलस्टोन वेगळं आहे आणि प्रॉब्लेम पण आम्ही जे फेस करतो ते
वेगळे डेफिनेटली.
रिसेंटली आम्ही 2 चांगला रिझल्ट आलेत. आमचे एक सेरेब्रल पाल्सीचा मुलगा बऱ्यापैकी चालायला लागला
अरे वा.
आणि विथ डिव्हाइस.
अच्छा.
आणि एक हायपर ऍक्टिव्ह एपिलेप्टिक मेंटली रिटार्डेड चाइल्ड 4 इयर, ती पण चालायला लागली.
वाव.
This is the physiotherapy center where the early intervention center children also come to take some therapy, and this is a lot of our students, almost 30 of our students of the 170 need some sort of physiotherapy.
Okay.
So Dr. Ma'am, you met Dr. Kare ma'am, she guides and he is the technician here who gives therapy. He's here every day for 3 hours.
Okay.
And he goes and brings all the children who need therapy, and then they have a timetable.
Okay.
And accordingly they start taking therapy.
Okay.
सध्या त्याच्या तब्येतीत खूप चांगला इम्प्रूव्हमेंट झालेलं आहे. आधी जेव्हा मी त्याला घेऊन आलो होतो तर तो असं चालत नव्हता आणि आता इतकं चांगलं त्याच्यात इम्प्रूव्हमेंट झालेलं आहे. म्हणजे जसं आधी होता त्याच्यापेक्षा चांगलं इम्प्रूव्हमेंट दाखवतोय आता. तो सध्या चालू शकतो. ॲटलिस्ट त्याला आता व्यवस्थित ते शूज लावल्याच्या नंतर व्यवस्थित चालतो. एवढं चांगलं इम्प्रूव्हमेंट झालेलं त्याच्या.
मध्यंतरी तो खूप म्हणजे इतका चिडायचा आणि त्याला एक फोबिया झाला होता, हे उभं करतात म्हणून. तर तो तेव्हा सुशी पण करायचा. तर तो पण फोबिया आता त्याचा निघालाय सरांच्या ट्रीटमेंटमुळे.
एन्जॉय करतोय, चालायला पण एन्जॉय करून चालतोय. फॅन्टास्टिक.
आणि त्याच्या चांगल्या आता ऍक्टिव्हिटीज पण व्यवस्थित करायला लागला. खूप म्हणजे व्यवस्थितच झाला एक प्रकारचा.
So this is our strong early intervention team.
खूप धन्यवाद सर. मॅडम, सर, तुमच्या सगळ्यांसाठी एकदा टाळ्या जे आपण.
So this is our clinical psychology department. Like I told you, जेव्हा मूल पहिल्यांदा येतं, so we start with evaluating the child. So the first thing, they come to the headmistress and then the headmistress directs them to come to her, where she evaluates their IQ. So, and then decides whether the child is a student for Navjeevan or not. So, and also counseling, like I told you, is a very important part which he is in charge of. So this is the, and if you see, this is a brighter room because the child comes here, he has to feel, he has to feel positive and get attracted to the school. So this room has been kept like that for her. You can ask anything you want.
मॅम, जेव्हा मूल इथे येतं तेव्हा आपण काय काय प्रकारचे त्याच्या टेस्ट करून मग ठरवतो की तो नवजीवनसाठी योग्य आहे की.
हो, आपण जेव्हा इथे मुलं येतं ना तेव्हा त्याचं सायकोलॉजिकल इव्हॅल्युएशन करतो. त्याच्यात सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे त्याचा बुद्ध्यांक काढणं, IQ टेस्टिंग. तर त्याच्यासाठी वेगवेगळ्या स्टँडर्डाईज आणि व्हॅलिड अशा टेस्ट्स असतात आणि त्या मुलाचं वय, त्याचे प्रॉब्लेम्स काय आहे हे सगळं लक्षात घेऊन आपण टेस्ट ठरवतो कोणची द्यायची. कारण जर व्हर्बल टेस्ट असेल आणि मुलाला बोलता येत नसेल तर ती टेस्ट त्याच्यासाठी अयोग्य आहे. एखाद्याला मोटर कोऑर्डिनेशन किंवा आय हँड कोऑर्डिनेशनचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये फॉर्मबोर्ड त्याला लावायचा आहे, तर अशा वेळेस त्याला ते जमणार नाही. म्हणून आपल्याला आधी बघावं लागतं की या मुलासाठी ती टेस्ट योग्य आहे का, त्याच्या वयानुसार आणि फिजिकल कंडिशननुसार. किंवा काही काही मुलं हायपर ॲक्टिव्ह असतात, तर अशा वेळेस पण ते कॉन्सन्ट्रेट नाही करू शकत. तर आपण ती टेस्ट ठरवायची आणि मग त्याला ती टेस्ट द्यावी लागते. कधी कधी खूप तीव्र मतिमंद मुलं असतील तर त्यांना आपण ती टेस्ट देऊ शकत नाही. मग अशा वेळेस आपलं डायरेक्ट ऑब्झर्वेशन आणि पॅरेंट्सकडून मिळणारी सप्लिमेंटरी इन्फॉर्मेशन याच्यावरून आपण काही गोष्टी ठरवतो. त्याला आपण सोशल कोशंट म्हणतो.
म्हणजे IQ आणि सोशल कोशंट
दोन्ही करतो आपण इथे.
आपण ठरवू शकतो की नवजीवनमध्ये तो
कुठे बसतो. म्हणजे बिलो 70 जर IQ असेल तरच आपण त्याला या शाळेत प्रवेश देऊ शकतो.
व्यवस्थित मांडलेले सिस्टम.
हो हो. आणि त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही ना मेन म्हणजे पालकांना हे सांगतो की मुलाची क्षमता काय आहे आणि त्याची कमतरता काय आहे, विशेष शिक्षणाच्या अंतर्गत नेमका काय होतं आणि या शाळेची आवश्यकता त्याला किती जास्त आहे किंवा कशी आहे. आणि मग त्याप्रमाणे आम्ही त्यांना काउन्सिलिंग करतो. त्याबरोबरीने मुलांमध्ये अनेक समस्या असतात, बिहेवियरल प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात, कधी कधी इमोशनल प्रॉब्लेम असतात. त्याच्याबरोबरीने कधी फिट्स आहे किंवा सेरिब्रल पॉल्सी आहे, ऑटिझम, असे वेगवेगळ्या समस्या मतिमंद मुलांमध्ये असू शकतात. मग त्याच्या अकॉर्डिंग आपण त्यांना गायडन्स देतो, त्याच्या अकॉर्डिंग कुठली थेरपी लागेल हे सगळं सांगतो आणि मग इंटरव्हेन्शन प्रोग्राम तयार करतो.
आता we just were trying to improve the type of flowers that we are making.
राईट.
आता पॅकिंगमध्ये आम्ही इम्प्रूव्हमेंट करतोय ह्याचे ते जे क्रेप पेपर टाईप येतो ना पॅकिंग, तर तसं पॅक केलं की ते खूप सुंदर दिसतं. हीच फुलांचं गेटअप एकदम
वेगळं
बदलून
येत
जातं.
असतं.
हां.
बरोबर आहे.
आणि सेम सी द फिनिशिंग दे हॅव रिअली डन इट वेल. फक्त फायनल नॉट आय आज देम टू टाय, म्हणजे ते सुटू नाही वगैरे.
बरोबर.
हां म्हणून. पण
किती छान
अजून एक
केलं आहे.
तिकडे दाखवेन तुम्हाला.
इथले मुलं घरी जातात त्यांच्या सुट्ट्यांमध्ये वगैरे?
Actually, दिवाळी आणि समर वेकेशन आम्ही कंपल्सरी आधी ठेवत होतो की मुलांना घरी घेऊन जावा. पण आता काही पालकांचे खूप प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात. म्हणजे आधी आम्हाला असं वाटायचं की मुलांनी घरी जावं, ते घरचं प्रेम त्याला मिळावं.
बरोबर आहे.
पण आता काय झालं, ही मुलं झाली आहेत 45-50 वर्षाची आणि पालक झाले त्यांचे 70-75चे, आणि ते 1.5 महिना किंवा ते 15-20 दिवस सुद्धा दिवाळीचे त्यांना सांभाळायचं फार अवघड जातं. म्हणून मग आता मी गेल्या वर्षीपासून रूल केलाय की जर त्या पालकांना इथेच ठेवायचं असं सुट्ट्यांमध्ये तर राहू दे इथे मला.
अच्छा.
तर ते एक नवीन आम्ही आता सुरू केलं.
वाव.
सो वी हॅव दिस अन्नदान फॅसिलिटी इथे,
अच्छा.
की ज्यांना बऱ्याच लोकांना काहीतरी द्यायचं असतं, मग ते लोक अमाऊंट देतात. आम्ही बाहेरचं फूड बिलकुल अलाउड नाही करत कॅम्पसमध्ये.
ओके.
तर त्यांनी पैसे द्यावे आणि फूड विल बी कुक्ड हिअर. आणि त्यांच्या नावाचे डेट्स बुक असतात. एखाद्या जसं माझा वाढदिवस आहे, समजा 1 जानेवारीला माझा वाढदिवस आहे, तर मला दरवर्षी द्यायचंय. पण मला इट स्लिप्स माय माइंड that I have to pay Navjeevan for this. So we give a reminder call 7 days prior to the date.
Okay.
And remind ki you have your date, Annadan date is coming.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So that is how we go
So
on.
ma'am, we covered almost all aspects of the school, and we talked a lot about what school is doing. Most importantly, we got to know how your aunt founded the school, laid the foundation, and how you took forward not only the school in the way it was, but also just established the school in a very, very different way on a higher scale. Now, the next question that comes to us is, how about the succession planning?
I wouldn't say succession as such, because this is not a family thing after all. We were always looking for someone who would come and join us. We wanted to have the next generation ready for the future, train the next generation with us. And it happened, the daughter-in-law who came in the family, my Jathani's daughter-in-law, she showed a lot of interest in the working of the school. So staying at home, she would some way try to help us. And then we asked her, would you like to come and join the school? And she was more than happy to do. So Tanvi joined us, and she has taken a lot of interest in the school and is working very efficiently. Of course, it's the next generation, more computer savvy, more technology oriented, and that is making a lot of difference. So it is not, we wanted only Tanvi to come, anybody who showed interest. So hadn't it been Tanvi, it could have been anybody else from outside. It's not a family thing after all. Yeah.
You have a torch bearer, but now.
So it's my time. I was being trained for all these years, and now it's my time to train someone else.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's a big pleasure, and I can realize how Atya, my aunt-in-law, used to feel when I joined her, how happy she was. Because when Tanvi comes to school, I'm really very happy because she's helping me out in such a beautiful way. So I can understand how happy she was when I joined.
I can feel it in your voice. That's so nice. So today we also have a special guest with us who is an integral part of Navjeevan School. So let's welcome Tanvi Gandhi, who also has the gene from Sharmila ji to take the school forward. So welcome Tanvi, welcome to the podcast. Hi. Tanvi, let me ask you a very important question. What motivates you to come to school and do what you're doing here?
What motivates me, the basic thing which pulls me here is the joy. It's the pure and very innocent and very niragas asthana. It's that which pulls me here. So when I come here, I usually do a round most of the days, and I meet all the children here, and they greet you with such excitement and enthusiasm, and they show you things, and then they have to update you for the whole day ki kya kiya hai, ghar pe kya chal raha hai, teacher ne kya kiya hai, and that just humbles you. That gives you like a very pure kind of satisfaction to be here. And then again, the drive, it motivates you to keep coming and do something in your own small way. It gives you that happiness, I guess. So, yeah, that motivates me a lot to come here. So the day when I don't come, I feel it missing. Where is my job keeps me occupied a lot. Like my day job, which I do, it keeps me occupied a lot, and it keeps me on my toes all the time. But the happiness which I get here is on another level.
Wow. That's really, I mean, we can feel the happiness through what you are saying.
See, again, what I feel is the change is the only constant we have. And as she says that she's grooming me, she's really grooming me in all the minor things. And see, it's more of a practical ways of grooming. What is happening is. So the more I will learn, I'm trying to learn a lot about this. I'm trying to read a lot about this. But what I learn and understand all around when I'm with the children, it's on another level. So yeah, that change is very vital, and in this field the change is very vital if it goes harmoniously with the society that we are moving forward with. So somewhere I can see that we are coming up with different things. So we started the shelter bookshop, we started the educable class. So yeah, we have quite many things lined up in our vision that yeah, we are making a small maybe progress in that direction where we want to go.
म्हणजे मला वाटतं की कोणाच्या आयुष्यात बदल घडवणं हे वाचणं सोपं आहे, पण कोणाच्या आयुष्यात प्रॅक्टिकली बदल घडवणं हे इथे येऊन पॉसिबल होते. अँड यू आर मेकिंग द चेंज, मेकिंग द लाईफ चेंज टू दिस पॉइंट दॅट सो मेनी ऑफ द किड्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड. It is such a pleasure to see, and as you said, it is such a satisfaction. It's so great to see all these kids smiling around and everything. Nice.
Coming to the last bit, you are doing a lot for the society with the medium of this school, and with the pleasure that these kids have on their face. We can certainly say that you are doing a lot for the society.
Thank you.
I also would like to ask, in what ways society, it's basically the prerogative of people like us to contribute towards this initiative. In what ways we can do that?
See, initially the challenge for us was how to raise funds. So it was a big task. I mean, setting up the entire thing in the absence of CSR was very difficult. Fortunately, now CSR has come up in a big way, and companies are looking for places where they can contribute.
Right.
So it is still a challenge because CSR is not a very easy thing to happen. It has got a lot of legal formalities to be completed, a lot of paperwork to be done. Yes, but it is available, right?
Right.
What we want now is people who will voluntarily work for the society, for the institution. We want manpower. Manpower is a big challenge. So we have teachers who are taking care of the students. That is there, that is available. What we want is the volunteers who would do it from the point of view of social work. We need a lot of helping hands where the administration is concerned.
Okay.
Because with the expansion of the school activities, there's a lot of administrative work that is involved.
Right.
So that is where we really need help. So we keep asking people who have retired, please come and join us. But you know, generally after retirement, the attitude is, nahi, humka bas 2-3 ghanta kaam karna hai. But give us those 2-3 hours. We don't mind. But we need. So a few people have joined us, but we need many more helping hands to come and join us. So that is one request to the society. Please come and give your services for these children.
Ma'am, in addition, during our conversation, we also got to know that the students here are making bouquets.
Yeah.
And those bouquets.
Oh yeah, one second, I'll cut you short there.
Yeah.
That is what I forgot to say. Please buy the products that students make. Because we are really trying to settle them and we want to give them not charity but returns for what they work. So please buy products that they bought. I have mentioned already what products they make. Please come forward, buy these products, give these children some work, and that is what we want from the society.
Ma'am, let us start it by ourselves.
Sure.
It would be great if we can have bouquets from Navjeevan for any function that is happening inside our company premises.
So nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We promise you that within our Rucha group, there would be henceforth there would only be bouquets from Navjeevan.
Thank you
Whatever.
so much. That's great help. Yeah. Thank you so much.
We will be glad that our guest will be having something like this in hand, which is handmade.
Absolutely.
Handmade with love.
We'll be proud to tell them that.
Thank you so much.
And we also urge everybody, all people from industries, administration, to probably contribute in similar way or the other towards the school. I think it would be a great help if at all we can make them self-sustainable.
Definitely.
Stand on their feet.
Definitely. So, to sum it all up, if you want to have this kind of special happiness and satisfaction, please come to Navjeevan School, have a round, meet the kids, buy products from them. It will give them immense happiness that someone is buying a product which they have made. So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Tanvi, for giving us your time today and hosting us in such a beautiful school.
Can I sum up?
Yes, please, please.
So an appeal to everyone, you all are invited to Navjeevan to experience a different world of teaching and learning.
Definitely. We experienced it. We would definitely vouch. Please come to Navjeevan School. So, to end up the podcast, this is Radhika and Rohit signing off for Tejas initiative by NSP. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.